Hello everyone. I am Avatar AR for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour Fremont Tract, Timber Creek. Over here we see exterior of building. They classified as townhouse. Executive Timber Creek Townhouse locates in Mission San Jose Schools District area. 2-car attached garage, low maintenance side and backyard and community pool and spa. There are total 69 units. Conveniently located near award-winning schools, bike paths to Lake Elizabeth, hiking trails, both Fremont BART stations, shopping, and easy access to 680 and 880. Timber Creek homes are known for their open floor plans and high ceilings, providing spacious and airy interiors. Additionally, the community is served by the highly regarded Mission School District, with top-rated schools such as Mission Valley Elementary, score rate of 9, Hopkins William Junior High, score rate of 10, and Mission San Jose High, score rate of 10, located nearby. The Homeowner Association fee, which is based on the living square footage, is approximately $340 per month. This fee covers a range of amenities and services, including beautifully maintained landscaping, a sparkling pool and spa, ample guest parking, and more. The HO fee also includes a range of services, such as management fees, reserves, roof maintenance, common area electricity and gas, exterior painting, fencing, and liability insurance. The homes at Timber Creek offer 4 distinct floor plans, ranging in size from 1,620 to 1,852 square feet. For example, over here is one of the plans. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tract. The average home price in this tract is around $800 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Timber Creek in Fremont. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 408-828-0600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.